I know I nerd out about organizing all the time, so when I find something that is truly going to be useful, for the rest of my life, well, I get very, very excited about these things. Hey beautiful, I wanted to share with you OobCube. This is a recent product that I was introduced to, and it is actually fantastic. Now, they did send me, Brandon from OobCube reached out, showed me all about them, offered to send me a few in order to check them out, see if I liked them and if I would recommend them. So these are what they sent me. And I tried to do an unboxing video, but my microphone cut out partway through. So that didn't work out so well, but that's okay because this gave me a chance to work with them, play with them for about a week and a half, 2 weeks now. And I've been storing craft supplies in them. And I just recently started to use them in my office for office supplies. I wanted to share these with you because I think that these are going to be so useful and they're kind of a game changer in the organizing world right now because you can turn this into whatever you want them to be. As I'm telling you about OobCube, let me know in the comments if you come up with any ideas for other ways that these can be used or customized as well. All right? I love coming up, hearing about all the different ideas and ways that these can be used, and maybe I will feature your idea in an upcoming video. All right, so this is the OobCube. Like I said, they sent these to me, and I've been using them for about a week and a half or 2 weeks now. Some of the features that I love about the OobCube. For one, they are collapsible. So if you did want to store some in your trunk, if you had times where you maybe aren't using all of them, then they collapse down very easily. But when they are not collapsed, they're also extremely strong. You can sit on these. They sell seats, so you can bring them for game day or something. So you can sit on these if you want to, for gardening, for create a little seated area, make yourself a window seat. They have a lifetime warranty, but my favorite feature is how adjustable and customizable they are. So you can change these out to suit whatever you need. The first feature that I love is that these are interlocking. So they nest right inside of each other. As you can see, once you put it on, they don't shift off. I also love that you can lock them in whatever direction and configuration you want. So you can see right here, right now I have 4 stacked on top of each other. Perfect for this space. I just have this small little area where I'm keeping my office supplies. They hold a ton of office supplies in this one small space though. But you could put them side by side. You could do 4 long, you could do 20 long, depends on how big your house is. You could do, I would love to get 3 sets of 3 and put them next to each other and create a workspace and a printer table with all my printer supplies, office supplies. I would love to do that type of thing in my craft room as well. They sell these in black as well as the white. And I'm sure that they'll come out with other colors in the future, but right now those are the options. And the standard cube comes with the mesh front. You can get accessories for these. So that's another feature that I love, is the fact that you can customize the storage within these cubes. You can add shelves to them. You can add interlocking shelves, ones that you can hold different bins in, slide bins in and out of. These are just the 2 colors that I chose, but they have various colors of storage bins that slide in and out of the system. They have some with handles, acrylic fronts that you can change out. They have the basic fronts, and like you see here, this is one of their shelf rails. So all of these different accessories just click in and out of the system. So you pop them in, you pop them out. It's very easy. As your life changes, then your storage can change too, because you can move it around into whatever room is useful for you. If it could be a kitchen pantry, it can be a garage storage. Like I mentioned, I use it for crafts, office supplies, great for a nursery or kids area, great for projects. If you have craft projects, or if you go to meetings, or you're working on a paper project, you can use it with the onion method of sorting that I teach. It's just so many great ways that you can use it and change it around as your needs change. in addition to the inside accessories of adding shelves and bins and changing out the decoration on the front, they have various different panels with different decorations, or you could even make your own with the acrylic. You could put in your own fabric behind it, make it you. They also have accessories that go on the outside if you'd like them. When they sent me these crates, they sent me some of the accessories as well with the shelves and the bins, and they also sent me the hobby pack. They must know me well. So the hobby pack is one of their packs of accessories, and it has a couple of different things that you can just snap into the outside. So I've set some of these up here. They also, Brandon sent me a really nice tumbler, which is super cool. Thank you, Brandon. And it fits so nicely into the cup holder. So that's one of the accessories within the hobby pack is the cup holder. The nice thing is it's not just to have to hold cups if you're using it maybe in a bathroom for bathroom storage. It could hold your hair dryer. It could hold various craft tools. This can hold my heat gun and the craft tools. So it can be a cup holder and so much more. Another one of the unique accessories within the hobby pack, this is, they call it a tool, I believe a tool holder or a tablet rest. And when you want to click these in, basically you stick it in the hole and you just twist. So stick it in, twist, and it locks right in. Super easy, nice and strong. And this one, if you wanted to, you could hang, you could hang your canvas bags, your reusable bags, your purse, whatever you want from it, or it's got these little grooves so you can put your tablet, like your iPad or something there. And if you're using this in the kitchen as a pantry and extra storage, then you could have your tablet with your recipe on it right there so you could read it. If you're doing crafts, you could have your tablet there so you could see directions and videos about crafts. You could have this right near where you're sitting at, in your armchair, and have your tablet there to be able to watch various videos and things from your armchair and have all of your storage right there next to you. It's great for caregivers as well. All of that extra stuff that you need as a caregiver can be in one area near where the person who you're taking care of is. So all of those bed pads and things like that. And it can move around as your life changes. So another couple of accessories that are included in the hobby pack, there's a hook, but you could also set it up like a command center. You can have your purse on the hook, and they have these, there's like screwdriver and plier holders, I think is what they call them, but they can hold just about anything. And like I've got the sunglasses and keys. So those are some of the features that I absolutely, absolutely love about the Oob Cube. And it's all because they have this snap-in system of the shelves and the bins if you need it. You can use just the shelves, you can use just the crate. In addition to being able to put the crates as many as you want in whatever configuration you want, from a closet to a garage to a tiny little tower that can hold an amazing amount of stuff, you can also move it around in whatever direction you want, and it'll still lock in. And the door, yeah, I had that right. The door will open in whatever direction you choose. So you can see I have some doors open down. I can do doors that open one side or the other side. It's completely up to you. They call it, I think it's, yeah, they've got stack lock and omni-stackable is what they call it. Omni-stackable, so you can stack it in any configuration that you want. And I absolutely love that. So I know I nerd out about organizing all the time. So when I find something that is truly going to be useful, for the rest of my life, super strong, still looks nice, extremely functional, I get very, very excited about these things. So that's why I wanted to share it with you, because this is kind of the game changer in the organizing game and in the craft game. And it's just fantastic. Check out the video link in the description or the link near this video and see what else Oob Cube has to offer. They are coming out with new things all the time. I got some sneak peeks into some of the things that they're working on that are going to be so, so cool when they come out with them. So keep an eye on that. Grab some of these. These are nowhere near as expensive as those customized systems that you can get put into your home, or buying that piece of furniture with all of that storage. And these are going to last you longer, but they're still just as high quality as those customizable systems. So this is not something where they've cheaped out. It's not a cheap system, but it is relatively inexpensive. If you were to try to build this yourself or have something created with a customizable system, you would pay a whole lot more and it would not be useful in the same way in the long run. So this is absolutely worth every penny of investment because it's going to last you a lifetime and save you so much time and energy. That's all I've got for you, love. I know that you're going to do amazing things with your Oob Cube, with your papers, with your home, one small step at a time, one small cube at a time. Go check out their link and let me know what you think and how would you Oob? How do you Oob, right? Check it out. Let me know in the comments all of your ideas, and I love you. You've got this beautiful. I'll see you soon. Bye now.